How to make nutrient-dense smoothie bowls. Creating nutrient-dense smoothie bowls is an excellent way to pack a variety of essential nutrients into one delicious and visually appealing dish. These bowls are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make nutrient-dense smoothie bowls. Ingredients. Base ingredients: frozen fruits. Choose a variety of frozen fruits like berries, mango, banana, or pineapple. These provide natural sweetness, fiber, and an array of vitamins and minerals. Liquid. Use a liquid to blend your smoothie. Options include water, coconut water, almond milk, or yogurt. These add creaminess and additional nutrients. Nut butter or nut milk. For creaminess and healthy fats, consider adding almond butter, peanut butter, or a splash of nut milk. Leafy greens, spinach or kale. Adding a handful of leafy greens provides a powerhouse of vitamins, particularly vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. Protein source: Greek yogurt, protein powder, or nut butter. These options add protein, which is essential for muscle repair and overall health. Chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seeds. These seeds provide plant-based protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Superfoods and boosters. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. These seeds offer an extra nutritional punch. Flax seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. Flax seeds support heart health and digestion. Spirulina or chlorella. These algae-based superfoods are high in protein, vitamins, and minerals, including iron and B vitamins. Matcha powder, a rich source of antioxidants and a natural energy booster. Bee pollen or goji berries. These provide an extra dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Sweeteners optional: honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. If additional sweetness is desired, opt for natural sweeteners in moderation. Instructions: select your base. Start with a combination of frozen fruits. This will form the base of your smoothie bowl. Add leafy greens. Add a handful of spinach or kale. This not only boosts the nutrient content, but also gives your smoothie a vibrant green color. Incorporate a protein source. Add a scoop of Greek yogurt, protein powder, or a tablespoon of nut butter. This provides essential amino acids for muscle repair and satiety. Include superfoods and boosters. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, spirulina, matcha powder, or any other superfoods you've chosen. These add an extra layer of nutrients and flavor. Blend until smooth. Use a high-quality blender to ensure a smooth and creamy consistency. If the mixture is too thick, add a little more liquid. Pour into a bowl. Transfer the blended mixture into a bowl. The thickness should be similar to that of a smoothie, not too runny. Top it off. This is where the creativity comes in. Arrange a variety of toppings for added texture, flavor, and nutrients. Here are some options: fresh fruits, sliced bananas, berries, kiwi, or any fruit of your choice. Nuts and seeds, sprinkle with almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds for extra crunch and healthy fats. Granola. Opt for a nutrient-dense, low-sugar granola for added fiber and complex carbohydrates. Coconut flakes or shredded coconut. These add a tropical flair and healthy fats. Drizzle of nut butter or honey for extra flavor and healthy fats. Edible flowers or herbs optional. These add a visual appeal and a touch of freshness. Enjoy mindfully. Take time to savor each bite, appreciating the array of flavors and textures. By following this guide, you can create a nutrient-dense smoothie bowl that not only tastes delicious, but also provides a wide range of essential nutrients. Remember to customize your smoothie bowl to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Experiment with different combinations and toppings to discover your favorite variations.